Hi there guys, this is Peter Jan here and we are busy with the festive season. It is that time of the year where you want to get social just before the holidays. So we are going to help you to sort out your side situations. For today we are making a spicy chickpea and gingerbread salad. We are going to start with onions. Almost everything starts with onions. The crying also starts with onions. So we've got some onions thinly sliced here. The pan is conveniently heated already for us. Okay. Thinly sliced onion. This is one onion. To this I'm going to add garlic. Some chopped red chili. That's where the spicy comes in. And you just want to fry this until it's a little bit golden. We don't want it to be cooked all the way through. We don't want caramelized onions. We just want soft onions. Okay, so it is a salad. In here we've got some chickpeas. Beautiful, beautiful pulse or legume. Is it legume? Is that what you said? Okay. You can smell these onions, they are beautiful. The little chilies in there is looking very nice as well. Okay, so into this part of the spicy, we've got some grated ginger here. And I'm just going to squeeze the juice from the ginger into the pan. Not too much, it's the one ginger root that I've grated. And you squeeze the juice in there and then chickpeas. Don't lose your chickpeas. Okay, so I'm just leaving these to char a little bit. We don't want it too hot, too warm. It's just to heat it through with the onions to get the flavor, to make little flavor babies. Part of the salad, because it is a salad, we've got some pears. I pre-sliced some pears over here. But I'll just slice it again to show off. We're slicing some pear. If you don't have a slicer, just slice it with a knife. It's fine. Please be careful for the fingers. Okay. Put some pear over there. Pear over there. There we go. So, in my jar of tricks, we've got some ginger cookies. Ginger biscuits, any ginger biscuit, you can bake your own, you can get some in the shops. And it's just to get some of the festive season into this, and it's quite a mushy salad. So we wanted to give it some crunchiness. Okay. This is my dinner plate, but we can use it as a salad plate today. And let's add our chickpeas. I'm not going to add everything. We'll taste this now. Okay, there we go. So this pear that I'm going to use now instead of this one, this was just to show you that I can slice. Okay. We've got some pear and it's in a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, so just add the pears to your salad. So whenever you are invited to a party and people say, bring something, you can bring a side, you can bring a salad, you can bring a dish. This is one of the things that I would recommend. It goes beautifully with any meat. Obviously you have to pair it with pork if you got the recipe from me. I'm just saying Eskort pork, there we go. And these guys, I'm not going to chop it, but we are just going to crunch it a little bit. There we go. He lost his head. There we go. And onto this, very quick and easy, some micro herbs, and then we are done. So you get mixes of micro herbs. This is a beautiful color. In almost any shop except for your petrol garage, but almost every shop has micro herbs these days, which we are thankful for. Just add it to your salad and then just season with some salt and pepper. So this is a pink salt and black pepper mix. Okay, equal quantities, and this is very quick and easy to sort out your seasoning. Everything is together, just use it. Okay, chickpea and ginger biscuit salad. There we go. Suspicious but delicious.